Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Yeah, man. Now, if you're a Jamaican watching this video right now, what I just said, you don't know exactly what I mean. Whether you live at Jamaica right now, whether you live at Yaad or you live abroad, growing up in a Jamaican household, you'd have definitely hear that right throughout. Whether it be from immediate family members or just people around in general in your community, in your district or somewhere about. So if you're a Jamaican watching this right now, would definitely understand what I just say. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Now, if you're not a Jamaican and you're watching this video, I'm gonna explain that to you. But before I do so, I'm gonna say big up to every single person who's watching this right now. Everyone who is watching this video right now, big up to everyone. If you're any day at all you're watching this, any day of the week you're watching this, I hope that day is started off very well for you and continue to be a blessed day. So hope the day start off well and hope it continue to be a blessed day, you know. Big up to everybody who watch this video right now. This is another vibe where chit chat. We do know a little again. The last video that I did, the last chit chat video that I did, on the sound I love it, and to be honest, I love it up. I like reason, you know. I like sit down and reason, I like listen, you know, and I like to put my little 2 cents out to one for all a reason, you know. So big up to everybody who tuned into that last video. You know, that video boy resonate with so much people, and really and truly I never expect it, to be honest. And I see a lot of people go through tons of even some of what I go through too, and you know, I appreciate love all of those comments where everybody leave and things. So if you guys never watched that video, I'm gonna pin it whether here, yes or over yes, so you can go check it out. See? Now, dance a yard before you dance abroad. That's a very popular Jamaican proverb here on the island, on our little island, Jamaica. That's a very popular proverb here. And that means perfecting your craft from home. So that's dance a yard before you dance abroad. So that's perfecting your craft from home before you bring it outside of your home. And that can range from the smallest to like the biggest. And well, I'm gonna put it out there again, disclaimer, I'm on the beach. I'm on the beach side right now, on the east side of Jamaica, on the eastern side of Jamaica. I don't know, the east side, St. Thomas will be them side there, you know. East side of Jamaica. Very beautiful day here. Just a relax. I take a little morning stroll and say, yo, I go all a chit chat we do know, you know, because it's a vibe, you know. All the time I just feel like just all a little chit chat vibe, and I realize say, oh, I like it too, and yeah, man, when I get a little chit chat vibe them every now and then, you know. Yeah, man, just look out for them. So you dance a yard before you dance abroad. So if you're a Jamaican watching this, you don't know what that mean already. But if you're not a Jamaican, that term is a very popular term here, very popular proverb here. And I wouldn't just say proverb, but it's like a traditional way of speaking as from a Jamaican family. A Jamaican family growing them younger one is like a traditional way of speaking to them also, because we tell them like them. I get that soaking in my brain all the time from a younger youth growing up, you know, come right up. We get that soaking in our brain come right up, you know. So it's like a traditional way of talking to your child as a parent, you know, here in Jamaica. So yeah, man, perfect your craft from home before you take it outside. And as I said, that can range from the smallest to the biggest, whichever way you want to put it. So perfecting your craft from in your house before you go out at the church, before you go at church. You know, as a youth growing up, we have it Sunday school could miss me, you know, in a country. No mind that talk there, I just the country talk, you know, but a country, I mean, growing up in the country side of Jamaica, down in a country, you know, Sunday school could miss me and thing. So, perfect that from Yaad before you take it to the church, before you take it to school, before you take it to even out of the shop. You understand? Before you even go out of the shop, we're in our district, in our community. So that being have manners, you know, being respectful, you know, all being humble, all of them things, they perfect all of them things before you go out. And as I said, that's just the smaller, that's just the that's just a thinking that's just a community vibe. That's just a little tiny part of it. But for the bigger world now, perfecting being you here at Yaad before you take it out to the bigger, wider world, to the Caribbean, before you left from country for go to Kingston, before you left from Jamaica before to go to the bigger Caribbean, before you left from the Caribbean to the wider world, you know, the UK, the US, you know. So it's about perfecting you know, before you go out there, before you take it out there. Yeah, so we always get that as a youngster growing up, we get that a lot, you know. So it's not just a proverb, it's not just another proverb, because we have tons of proverbs, but this one is just not another proverb. It's like a traditional way of speaking to your child. For all of the people them will grow them child strict like that, you know, especially in the country them. Yeah, mama, because me grew up around strict parent, you know. I grew up around my father, and we grew up strict. Yeah, man, him grew up strict, and we give thanks for that, you know. We literally give thanks for that. So, I would say I grew rich and also poor. And when I say rich, I don't mean money-wise. You know, it all comes back to strict parenting, you know. To be honest, at them time they, you know, them time they never made it as rich, to be honest. It's now that, you know, I grew up and even getting all my own son and thing, you know, I look back on it as a young adult and thing, you know, I look back on it as, say, oh, them time they did really and truly was rich. I grew up in a richness them time there. We never appreciate them time there, but now, I look on it and I say, oh, really a rich life them there, you know. So monetary wise, it wasn't up, to be honest. My father was a hard-working man, you know. R.I.P. to my father, you know. Very, very hard-working man. Him try everything for make me comfortable, you know. But we never have it like that. I go through the clothes. I go through hardship. I go through the tear up clothes. The underpants them tear up. I go through the clothes them tear up. I go through the school bags ripping up the shoes. I have to go to school with even my shoes. You know. You don't know the thing, yeah. So it's like him never have it like that. For say, oh, as soon as a shoes bust out, or him could have just get back a shoe same time, or shoes soon as a bag bust or something, could have get that same time. But at the same time, I was comfortable. He try to make me be as comfortable as possible as a father, you know. Because I grew up mainly with my father most of my life. For those who don't know the story, there, as I say, you can go watch about the video and see what I go on. But if you see me up on the beach side and the sea and the sun and things, so if you see me, even my eye red and thing, you know, the sea, you know. But crazy vibe. Definitely a crazy era of mine. Back in them time, they growing up, you know, around strict parenting. I love it, man. Some grew up rich, but at the same time, monetary wise, it never up there. But I was comfortable. I'm never poor and I walk up and down. I beg and them thing there, you know, them try to make me comfortable. Even if that happen, I mean they want to do it, because, you know, even though we grow humble and grow on strict parent, we're still young and we might run off and go off track a few times and go do foolishness. Not what our parents teach you to do or anything like that. But you know, as a youth, we have a mind free and our mind big, so we just run up and down and go do whatever we probably feel like at that moment, even though we have strict parenting, because that's as kids, you know. So we grew up humble. Yeah, man. Grew up humble, and it's not just being humble. When you talk about principle, that's me. And principle is a thing we take so serious, and even in recent times, you know, since me get my youth and thing, you know, I try for beat that into him. Well, when I say beat, I mean beat, you know. But you know, speak that into him, you know, as a youth growing up. Me I try train him from early, because that's a major part of my life. Principle. You know, we are gonna get down to that and in a down look more in the video. But you see, when it comes to principle, yeah, man, that's one of the things what me treasure. You know, me like to have respect. You see, when it comes to people around, not just people above me, but people below me. That even worse, people younger than me. You know, I try to have respect for every single somebody, because it goes both ways. You can't expect for just have respect for who higher than you are, who older than you are. Or, you understand what I'm saying? You want it to go both ways. Even the younger youths coming up, you know, you want them to respect you. You want them to look up to you. So you have to respect them. You know, teach them, because they might not come off with it first, but you have to be a leader in yourself and know say you're a hero. You understand what I'm saying? So respect goes both ways for the younger, and as I say, my youth born and things, so I try to get them things embedded in him from early. Yeah, man. Now, how I ended up in Kingston, a lot of you guys been asking me that from the last video. Because I don't know I grew up in the country and thing, but a lot of people been asking me how I ended up in Kingston. So I got show you how I got tell you how I ended up in Kingston now. See? So after my father passed off, I end up get put out and I end up having moved to my mother now. In that district, a family came to that district from Kingston. They had land close by in the area. So it's in the area, walking distance, like literally probably 2 minutes. Like the same, I can just walk from here, go over for them here, like one fence. So them come and them have land in the area, and they came there for build up a house. They came to build up a house. So me in the area now, moving from one community to the other community, which is my mother community, me there now because my father dead. So yeah, me there and my mother now. See? You know, being there and thing as a little youth, say me in my teens, me still go high school and thing. And you know, work I go on the house. Them come for build the house. They are from Kingston originally, you know, them come for build the house, them house and things like a family house. Me get to understand. Mark you, these people are family to me. Sorry, excuse me. These people are family to me now. Even now, currently. You understand? But me just go know the story from back then come right up. These people are literally real family. Because family for me, I don't know for anybody else. Me just talk about me. It doesn't have to be blood, you know? It doesn't have to be blood. So these people are real family to me. So as I say, them time that them there and I work on the house and thing. I work on them house and man, me there, me jump around and thing, me carry. You know, as a youth growing up, and worse if you get a little 5 bills, you go there, you go carry 2 buckets and you go, you know, do a little work them and where you can do take up a couple of rubbish and things. So me being there, it's like a energy just start build, a energy just start connect with these people. Yeah? And it so happened that even after the house bill and, you know, work man gone about them business and the family dead now at the house, the connection was still there and still strong. So I'm tell you exactly. So the grandmother was there and the grandson. So other family member came by, but they live in Kingston. Mainly the family members live in Kingston, so they come and go. But who was there staying all the time was the grandmother and her grandson. Yeah, and him grandson older than me also. Yeah, man, everybody come like family to me. You understand? It's just family to me. So the grandmother was there, and I was staying there, and the grandson was there, and I was staying there with them right throughout, you know, because as I said, me even sleep there, to be honest. Because as I said, the house was close to my house, so I go over the yard, and it was like back and forth. So it's like a second yard for me. Anyways, now, we get so in tune, the family gets so, like, the band with that side of family and my family gets so, well, with my mother though, because not all of my family, because it was just my mother's side of family lived that side. Well, my mother and few of my other siblings, yeah. Anyways, the band gets so strong, and they invited me to Kingston, Zin. So the grandmother was coming to spend some time with her daughter. You understand? And so, which her daughter now is like a second mother to me, because she have 2 sons, and them come like my brother also. You understand? Them come like real brother. And the grandmother now, she came to Kingston to spend some time with her daughter. See? She's like my mother. I call her my mother, I call her my auntie, everything, you know. They're like real family up to now speaking. So I think I came like one time, come spend probably like a 1 week or so, or 2 weeks. I don't remember, to be honest, and then go back a country, and then I think like a couple months after, she say, oh, she go and come back again, come spend another little time with her daughter, and she say, oh, yeah, come again, man. Yeah, come with me at town. Anyways, I came by to town. I came by to Kingston, yeah, again, the second time, and while here, the second time, she was working at a supermarket, Zin, and she was heading out to work, and I asked her if I could have passed through and thing, and while here, you know, we come to spend like a week or 2, you know, and I think I got there like 2 times, got like at the supermarket, because she was working at the supermarket. I go there and I help her pack out 1 and 2 little things, you know, 1 and 2 little stuff on the shelf and thing, probably like 2 times or so. And but I don't remember how the work thing came up, but somehow I think she put in a talk on the boss lady, because this I gotta tell you now how I get fired, you know. So at this exact supermarket now, she put in like a talk on the boss lady, say, oh, because this supermarket is run by a husband and a wife. Now this boss lady say, yeah, man, make him pass through, man, because me like him help you pack out 1 and 2 things, so rate it, you know. So make him pass through one thing, boom, I pass through, and I get the work, and she say, yeah, man, I can come do the work and things. So you know what happened now? The grandmother had to go back to country. Now me have to stay at home. Mark here, all of my especially my big sister, she didn't approve this, you know, because, you know, typical country people, she didn't know this side of family, because she lived in a different community from where my mother was, and where I did there with my mother. I live with my mother, see? So my mother did approve and everything, but my big sister, you know, she never approved, because she was like, my big sister was like another big mentor for me, another mother for me too. So she look after me too, and she come like another one mother to me too. See, so she never really approved, because, you know, typical country people, town people come and you not approve if you go town with them, because me don't know them and thing, which nothing wrong with that. So she never really approved until, well, them approve now, you know, but in that time I'm talking, because I remember I'm still young them time there. Anyways, my mother did approve and thing, because I work, you know. She tell her some get work and thing, and anyways, it started from there. I started working at that supermarket, and my day there work super good and super nice and everything. I was there for 2 years. I think at 2 years. If I not 2 years, it almost reached 2 years since my dad at the supermarket. Anyways, we're there at the supermarket, and I work on this supermarket now. I'm gonna tell them, go on a joke now how I get fired. Every Thursday, the supermarket, this lady, the boss lady, I'm not telling you her name, I'm not telling you which supermarket, you know. So she would bring like food from her house, and then everybody would eat at the supermarket. So on Thursday now, we wouldn't go out, see? We wouldn't go out, go buy food. So we appreciate love them days. So we would spend money from our pocket then, see? Who would spend money from our pocket would I just eat food from the food from what she carries. So sometimes you know she carries stew chicken, whether it be stew curry chicken or you know greens, kalaloo, saltfish, whatever. So on this typical Thursday now, you know, we did their work and food carry and ray and everybody eat and enjoy and things after we finish eating and thing the stuff them would normally wash up back like probably in the evening or before we leave, before we close the supermarket. So the things them would normally wash up back and things in. Now I think I don't know if this no, let me tell you no. Would I like take on and off Thursday. So this Thursday, you know, somebody different would have wash up. Zine. I don't remember, to be honest, I don't remember if it was my Thursday to wash up or anything. But you know, I was the one who was doing the washing up that evening or that night. Yeah. So me that wash up and thing. Everything nice. It was a typical Thursday, yeah? Seeing everything nice and everything wash up and thing. Boom. We go Yaad because supermarket lock now, closed now and everything. Next day now we come at work. Friday we come at work. Seeing Friday we come at work and man, this is a Friday I can't forget, you know. We come at work now, seeing and everything nice and jolly. Only for here say yo the boss did get, you know, she get to open her feelings and thing, you know, which nothing wrong with that because I'm gonna tell you what happened now. Only for find out say a pot they didn't have the sink. We find a pot in the sink in the morning when we reach like so like a little frying pan or why look dutchy something there. Why look small, it's a small pot to be honest, it's a small pot. Was no big nothing. And excuse me, to my understanding is that pot reached there after I finished cleaning up. Seeing? I don't know how it reached there. It wasn't there when I was there cleaning up and things. So, I don't know who, I don't see what I come down with now, though. So, I don't know who get the blame for that. Seeing? It started an argument, started a little heated argument and say, oh, Ray, like them take it, I never expect it to spiral out to that big of a thing, you know, because it's a pot, it can't just wash. It probably just overlook or it did there one part where I never see it or something and then, you understand what I'm saying? Seeing? So I never expect it to spiral out that big. Anyways, it spiraled out very big and man, I don't remember if it was the same, I don't actually remember exactly, to be honest, because this video not cut, you know, the video not cut or nothing. We just a flow, we just a try remember. But I think it was that same, because remember Thursday gone, but it was that same Friday now. I think it was that same Friday night, you know, because we get paid on Friday night, it was weekly payment. So we get paid on the Friday night, scene, and in the night now, when we are leave and thing, I get no pay, I get me look envelope and thing, you know, seeing? I get look envelope and I ready for going on one thing on the Friday night. Only for hear when boss lady said to me say, nah go work with you again, you know. Yo, let me tell you, when me tell you say everything start rush, like I get a piece of adrenaline rush. Things just start run through my body, like I feel weak and all of them things there. Why? All working people would know why. If you never get fired from a job or if somebody you never get laid off or if you never hear that or get a letter to say, oh, nah, I work with you again or something, you would know exactly the feeling of that. Zin? You would know exactly the feeling of what I talk about. And that was one of the worst feelings in my entire life, bro. I tell you, that was one of the worst feelings in my entire life. Like, I can't remember the exact words what she said to me, say, nah, I go work with you again, you know. Jeez, I'm pissed. Yo, let me tell you, I start get weak because remember, we have bills to pay. And the typical Jamaicans, you know how hard it is in Jamaica. Worse if you have a local supermarket job and thing, you know how hard it is. If you see my eye run and thing, you know, I remember me dep on the seaside and things, so I'm not really watching the face, you know. Yeah, man, we dep on the sea, the sand, the salt and all of that. We just go on easy. A beautiful day in Jamaica and we have all that chit-chat vibes, we don't know again. Yeah, man, you don't know that vibe. Bills to pay and all of them little thing there. Remember, rent for pay. You know, because even though we're here, we have pay a little bill. And we have to give thanks to Auntie also, my second mother. You know, I have to really and truly have to give thanks for her because she took me in from country as a country youth and we came here in Kingston and for taking somebody at your side, you know, and help them. I help them like that because she's helping me. She say, you're going to work. Even though, you know, I have to contribute because that's, definitely, there's no problem in contributing because you're at someone's spot and them a parent also and all of them little things. So you don't know, contribution is nothing to me. But for all of those stories I'm hearing with foreign people are go up and all a week time or 2 weeks time when in their family house, family don't want them again because them want them pay this and pay. I've never got through that, you know. Never got through that. I just want me here. So not come for me. But you know, it's like the same thing. Coming from countries like a total stranger, even though them love me as a youth, you know, and say, hey, me I gotta help you out and thing. It's still, me not think of something that was easy. For she have her 2 sons and say, hey, come on my foot. Same way you come there, look work and thing and, you know, just contribute and just go and enjoy yourself and go and build your thing. You know, easy. So, me really appreciate of that from them time that till now. Me appreciate of that what she did for me. So, you know, bills to pay and all of them something there. So, when you hear all of them things, you know, you lose your work and thing, man, it's crazy feeling. Crazy feeling. But, you know, we got through that. We got through all of them thing there. See, I make a quick check. We got through all of them thing there, and you know, probably about 2 months after, I landed a better job. Because how I landed a better job now, I get links from the supermarket because it's a supermarket work. So you know, links, salesman come through, sales representatives, all of them people they pass through. So you don't know, we get a little link and thing and. I landed a better job at a bigger company, a well-known company too, and I was there working for up to, I think, 6 years before I resigned. So I was the one who left that job after. So I only ever worked 2 9-to-5 jobs in my entire life. So the supermarket one and I got fired from that because I want pot. That's it. Me not telling a lie. I don't make up story like because I want pot. Seeing and then now I go to the other job and I resign. Seeing I was there working for up to 6 years, you know, I didn't qualify for that job. When me just start out, them give me 3 months, and them cause them say me never qualify on paper. Me know me qualify in my brain because I was living from a supermarket and it was like a similar job, kinda ish, you know. So me know about sales, me know all of them little things there. So them say me never qualify, but them still gonna give me the job anyways because it was a link. And boom, me get the job. As I say, them give me 3 months. Them say them only give me 3 months. I did have faith in myself. I didn't know say them are gonna love me. I just didn't know. I just saw me stay. I just didn't know because the energy did connect. Anyways, them give me the 3 months. Then them give me 6 months. Then it was all 1 year after that. 1 year. And I was there until I even get promoted like 3 or 4 times. And I turned down the promotions them. I turned down all of the positions them. I turned them down all of the time them when them bring them to me because I knew what I wanted. You see? Because sometimes I have promotion, you know. I don't know that, you know. Seeing? And every time you work there one company and them say, oh, hey, come take this position array. Sometimes it's not. And every up on a thinking on the brain. And I knew what I wanted, so I was flexible at the position where I was. I did flexible and I just say, oh, I'm going to stick with this position, even though them offer me. Where them say, I claim to say a better position. So me know what me want. See? Anyways, I turned down the positions and I was there until I resigned. While I was there, I started creating content and I started my clothing brand. So I start 2 things from this. So when you see sometime and every time a door close I learn from all of them. They come right back up and I use that in my current life now. If you know, say, and every single time something bad happen, you know, it's really something bad. Sometimes it's just bad for a moment, you know. Sun never shine straight forever. We have to get look night, and night now go dead a favor, look sunshine have to come back out. So that's just me. That's just how me think. So me just keep flowing. So every time, even obstacles, even now we have obstacles. Everybody have obstacles, but let me tell you now, just keep flowing, because at some point, changes are gonna make. At some point, little changes are gonna make me. I tell you now, and it changes are gonna be so good. You understand? Be better than where you could I ever imagine, or where you could I ever expect. That's just me. I saw me flow, but just flow with the flow. Yeah, man. So I started working at that company, and I left from there. So I start my own clothing brand. I started creating content, and I resigned. And them never expect them would have actually did it till me resign, you know. And that we give God thanks. To be honest, we give God thanks. We give God thanks. That's all I can say, yeah, man. And that's just how life, different, you know, life, like better life started and thing at that time, you know. We start get receipt now at that bigger company. We can go in a coach, take out, we look at TV. So, you know, it's just a piece of a journey coming up and bringing up, piece of upbringing same way as a young adult, same way. You see me? Because we never stop growing. When you feel like you're a big man or a big woman, you always have to achieve, always get something where you never get before. You know, it could be the smallest little thing. Yeah, man. So, me no want the battery run out on that gadget there, so a piece of gadget look like the battery. But yeah, I gotta tell you now, we have one more thing I gotta talk about. Open the guys love the contents. Open the guys love the farm videos, even those farm videos and the food videos, because for me, all those videos is just oneness. It's just oneness. So every single one of you guys who tune into the farm videos, and everyone who's tuning into the food videos, respect and manners, peace and love. Me appreciate love all I own, because as I said, those videos are oneness. Why I said that? All of those food that you see from the street, all of those food that you see in the restaurant, it have to come off of our farm from somewhere. Hold on, let me check something real fast. It have to come off of our farm from somewhere. It have to come off of our farm. So doing these farm videos, it make me feel so good for know say yo, I can actually traverse from one part of one thing and go to another thing, which is actually the same thing, because the food them off of the farm are the same food we eating inside these restaurants, inside all of those street food spots and things. So it's just oneness for me. So look out for more farm videos, look out for more food videos. We can't stop eat food, because we have to eat food. Yeah, man, we have to eat food for live. Food is life. Food is the stuff of life, you know. And for them on the farm them, it just teach me more. And may I tell you, I know say I know alone love the whole educational part of it, because me go up on the farm and I learn. I went on a farm the other day. If you guys don't check out that video, do check it out now. I go see Irish for the first time in a ground, because I've never seen Irish inside a ground. Down in a ground, I only see Irish at market. You understand? Me reap carrot for myself and all them things there. So it's a learning process for me too. So hope you guys love it, and appreciate love all of them videos there. And one more thing again, 78 or 79% of you guys still yet not subscribe. I couldn't believe actually when I go up on the thing and look. I couldn't believe, because I wasn't the type of actually that look through subscribers and them thing. I just know. So I create content and it just reach to the eyes who it for reach to, and the ears who it for reach to, you know. But me really never did I pre the whole subscribing thing, and 79% of you guys literally yet not subscribe. So I beg you to just subscribe. Just click the subscribe button on it now. Take no time. Charge. You no charge neither. So just subscribe. And you know it would be good for hit a nice little milestone in the year. So we just go and create content for you, and a whole natural, authentic Jamaican vibe from Yaad. You know? And forever who don't know, whoever don't know, natural vibe. Remember out there on the beach, people are go there and thing. Beautiful day here in Eastern Jamaica, you know. For whoever don't know the term Yaad mean Jamaica. So anything what you do with Yaad, it mean Jamaica. So Yaad, man, Yaad food, Jamaican man, Jamaican food, you know. Yeah, man. But it's a natural vibe. So as I say, people just subscribe. A lot of you guys don't subscribe as yet, so please do subscribe. But we're not gonna dwell upon that, and give the video a thumbs up too. Would I love that? But we have all a chit chat vibe. Every now and then, just wanna know something I go past you can all a vibe, but don't know, you know. Yeah, man, because it's a vibe too. I like reason. I like something else still. I like reasoning, you know. I like talking and reason. I mean, know say a lot of you guys, I got. Somebody must see this and learn from it. Probably somebody younger, probably somebody older to see something, at least see this video and hear something and take from it. You know, you might never know. But we just put it out there, and it's always good content, great content. Nothing where probably even no kids can watch. Kids can watch this, you know, and learn from it too. But as I say, life is just have a way for us turn, you know, and we left from this so and we move on. But one more thing I'm gonna talk about before this gadget shut off is that whole free food thing. Now a lot of you guys, I see a few people well commenting on some of my videos, you know, say yo free food, yes I eat the free food, I'm sorry, and to be honest, nothing wrong with getting. Oh my God, I don't want to see one big dog who just walk past a while ago. It frightened me, man. But as I said, to be honest, nothing wrong with getting free food. And nothing wrong with the comment neither that you guys made. Nothing wrong with the comment that you guys made. Because remember, if you just don't know, you just don't know. And some people ask, some people will go ahead and ask and say, yo, Yaad life rate, do you pay for this food or whatever next man might assume. Or, you know, or speculate and thing, which nothing wrong, because the comments them there for make and thing, and we appreciate all the comments, because them help me for learn, help me for grow and thing too. So I've seen comments even on one of my most previous video. You see me? Oh my God. Oh my God. I hope that gonna come bite me now. Shh, 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 shh. See me? You see him big? But, yeah man. As I made say, that video not cut, you know. A natural vibe we do. We not cut the video. We just a flow with a flow. See? But the comments that some of you guys made, nothing wrong with it. I appreciate all of the comments. But as I say again, free food, getting free food, nothing wrong with actually getting free food. Because remember, food is food. I have to check that thing here now because you know, the battery run out. But food is food, and everybody need food for live. So we have to eat food. And if I go to any street food spot or any restaurant or anywhere like that, and them offering me food on the house, I'm not going to say no, because that's them showing me appreciation. The dog pass back again in beginning, man. That's them showing me appreciation. So nothing wrong with them showing me appreciation and say, hey, respect you for passing through, for highlight this spot for me, highlight my restaurant for me. So this food is on the house, nothing wrong with that. But the question, is it free food? Do I all of these food that you see me eating, are these free food? And the answer is no. No. I pay for all these food, and let me tell you now, probably 10% of these spots that you see me go to, most you know, some of these people, some of these restaurant owners and thing, they might, whenever I reach out to them or whenever they reach out to me and say, yo, Yaad life, Ray, food, whatever, them would have say, alright, this food, don't worry about this in a Yaad life, this is on the house, you know. You understand? So as I'm say, a small percentage of them will say, yeah, yo, this is on the house. And really appreciate of that. I don't go there expecting to get free food. You understand? But if them offering that and say, yo, this is on the house because you do this to me, Yaad life, and I appreciate this, I go say, yeah man, nothing wrong with that. And I go accept it with love, because this is food, you know, this we have to eat food for survive. And if them offer me this because of what I'm doing for them, I accept it, of course. And I appreciate of all of these people, and even the people them we still never never say, oh, this is on the house or whatever. We still appreciate of them, because this help build us too at the same time as content creators. And remember, I'm there to support them. So even though I'm there promoting them spot for them. We there for support the spot also. So we there for purchase food. We go there for purchase food. My first ever, I don't know if my first ever, but one of my first videos them when I do at a restaurant. I think I'm my brother's. Michael, big up yourself, Michael, and he had a spot here in Kingston, and the first time I think them video was one of my first food videos, restaurant videos, and when him see me, when him remember I'm a brother like this, and when him see me at PM, he must say, yo bro, what you doing? I say, what you mean? I came here to support your thing, bro. When I expect to come and get free food, I expect to come and vibe with the people, them show the people them natural yard cooking, and also eat some food, make them see how nice the food is, you know. For even all of the people them in the diaspora, all of them people over there outboard, you know, outbound, and want come back a yard. We just bring all of this nice food feeling for them, make them come enjoy food. So it's a whole process. So me not expect to come just to come on your spot to say, hey, me I come highlight your thing for you, and more you give me some food. Hell no, that wasn't the case. You understand? Hey, bless up. That wasn't the case. It was just a sense of me treading through Jamaica, because watching all these food videos where I see in a tons of restaurants and thing, when a lot of food creators, content creators, them go to the spots and them eat them food, and the food looks so good. Them go at 12 o'clock, the food good, because the food don't cook and thing. But what my thing was, I never had I see much of the in-depth, like the street food spots, the restaurant, the cook shops, you know, the cook shops. That's one of the big, that's big here in Jamaica, cook shops, you know. So me never had see much inside. So the pots them pan the fire blaze and thing inside mainly. Alright, no problem. Yeah, G. I don't fly up a place, you know. This is a beautiful spot. You can come check it out here on the beach. Wacky beach. Crazy vibe, but yeah, the place I open up now. Beautiful day here in Kingston. Yeah, we're going back again. We're not cut it again. Beautiful day here on the eastern side of Jamaica, you know. But as I say, this I got here I started this whole process because I wasn't seeing much in depth inside of most of these restaurants and thing, and that's what I say I did want to create, you know, a vibe like that inside of most of these cook shops and thing. And I know the people them appreciate of that. I know the people them really and truly appreciate of that vibe, and it's been an amazing journey. It's been an amazing journey, and I tell you, we are going to continue that food journey, and even those farm videos. So just look out for more of those videos. Just go and look out for more of those videos, and remember, just go and live and love life. Place I open up right about now. Beautiful day in Jamaica. We are going to hold a vibe right here on the beach, and it's just me chit-chatting. We don't know again. Because I saw some of the comments, and you know it's only right for make some of the people them understand and know, say, yo, hero, these, even though we're going around eating all of these food and thing, it's only right for support all of these spots. Not just for go there for say, yo, me I go highlight in the thing food, no. Me I go highlight in the thing food, no, where we want some free food and thing. It was never that. 100% all of these food, where you see, and even if they offer me food, I always purchase when I'm leaving. That's just me. That's just, so that'll come back to the principle again. That's just me. So if them say, oh, hero, that one juice here upon the house, it's just right for me if you say, oh, hero, me I go purchase an extra juice. So if you give me one, me I go purchase two. That's just me. That'll come back to principle. You understand what I'm saying? So I just mean that. And even the farm videos, I've never been on a farm where I say, oh, here what. Even if I don't show it on the video, most of these farm videos, I don't know if it breeze about that one, but I gotta take back a shot again. But even those farm videos, even those farm videos, I've never been on a farm where you see all of those farm videos and when up.
Be disrespectful, but you're not even supposed to be filming over here. You understand?
Oh yeah?
Yes, it's private property. There are several signs at the gate.
Oh, for real? I never know.
Yeah, for
I never know, so we can't film here. We never know, man. Sorry about that, man.
Okay.
We never know. And them say we can't film over here, so. But I never know. To be honest, we never know. But natural vibe, even the farm videos, as I said before. Even the farm videos, as I said before, we always take back stuff out. So it's not just the restaurant. I might not show it on the video, but definitely even those farm that you see me go up on, we always try for support. Even with farmers them same way. So it's just a natural vibe from start to finish. You know, it's not just me pulling up and going in for say, oh, we are going highlight on the thing for, you know, we need some stuff, we need farm produce or we need food or anything like that. It was never that. It was always just supporting and showing more in depth, just showing more in depth to the people who never usually see inside those restaurants and those farms and going more in depth, learning and all of that. It was always that and supporting. So it's a natural vibe and we're gonna cut it right as now because them said the beach is a private property. Yeah, them say it's a private property. So we shouldn't even be filming over there and thing. We never know. But a natural vibe. So this spot is Wiki spot right here in Bull Bay, Wiki Beach. So if you never know. But it's a natural vibe. When you know the vibe, just go and stay tuned for more contents and just go and stay tuned. Natural vibe, and let me know if you want more chit chat vibe again. But we're gonna close off this one now because we're still close by. So to your property, so big up on yourself and you know the thing. Yard life's good. Remember to subscribe. Yeah, man.